DVT helps you easily fix signature mismatches between the extern prototype and out-of-body implementation of functions and tasks. Take this function for example, where the parameter types in the implementation differ from the ones in the prototype. Place the editor cursor on the error line, press Ctrl-Dot, and select Update Prototype to match extern implementation. You can also trigger quick fixes from the error tooltip or using the command palette. Similarly, for this task, the parameter name mismatch can be easily fixed using Update Extern Implementation to match prototype. Now let's suppose someone changed the signature and added more arguments, but forgot to update the implementation too. Fixing this issue is again one quick fix away. Even mismatches in return types can benefit from this automation, as it happens in this case. Imagine you just started working on a new class, and you only want to focus on the big picture at the beginning. Simply create the prototypes for all the required functions, and when done, go through each of the errors, press Ctrl-Dot, and select Implement Extern Function. Now let's create another function similar to this. This time, the extern prototype is missing, but DVT can create it for you automatically in the right place. No need to switch context and lose focus by navigating to the class body.